Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If your FC25 season pass is unavailable, showing unavailable, or it's not showing or not working or not loading on your FC25 game application or your game, then you can do is simply open your game, then make sure that you right click on your PC. If you're playing on your PC, then you can find the task manager, simply click on it. From here you have to find the Steam client, you have to right click on it and you have to simply click on end task, and also the FC25 application, and exactly do the same thing, right click on it and end task for them too. Then try to reopen them, and after that you can do is make sure that you have your internet connection is stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable, or if you are on Ethernet cable, also you can test your internet cable, and you can check if there is an stable internet, so there is no internet lag issue. So if there is any glitch, so you can do is you can try to uninstall the app, your apps 2025, uninstall the app with the additional data, and you can go to the Steam again if you have purchased it from here, or you can go to any client where you have get the FC25. Then you have to reinstall or download that file again, and you can try to see if this issue persists or not. If this issue persists, then but before actually uninstalling, you can do is simply open your browser and simply search for EA Sports server status. Then you can find here, make sure their service are online, or there is no issue with the server, or their server is not down here. So here you can see the service here for EA apps here is okay, EA Play is okay, and from here you can find the EA Sports, the Challenging Football Year 2025, and also here is the EA Sports FC 2025 is correct here. If there is cross mark, that means the server is currently down. That's why the seasonal pass is not showing. So this is happening for the many users in many time, for the server maintenance or server is down. That's why the season pass is not showing. So if you are still not get the season pass, or it's not available right now, so make sure that you have updated your FC 2025 to the latest version, or you can actually go to the library and go to the FC25, for example this one here. Then make sure you have verified the file of all of the additional file of FC2025. If there's any corrupted file, so the issue, it could be the main cause for that issue that you are facing. So that's pretty much all the probable thing that you can try, and that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.